Welcome back. Now, one of the other tools that you have available to you with any Kindle book, including yours, will be that you can share an embed code. And what you'll do is you'll scroll down, you'll look on the right-hand side, and if you look someplace under the Add to List button as of the recording of this video, you're going to see share buttons, and then you're going to see this link that says embed. You're going to click that link. You're then going to get a pop-up. And what's going to happen is you can then send this link to another individual by email, or you can click this button and you can get the embed code so that it will be part of your personal website. Once a person has the embed code, they can head to their website, and if they're willing to put in the code, they will then hit publish. And then if we click view post, you'll see the preview of the book that will be on your website. Then of course that person can hit preview, they can hit share, or they can buy from this actual link. When the person gets the link by email, what they'll need to do is they'll need to click this link, and they'll then get a preview in their browser. They can either read it in Kindle, share it, or buy it from this link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.